Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you all how I do a volume lash refill. But before I get to explaining everything, please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and thumbs up this video, and do not forget to comment down below. As always, I'm starting off with washing my clients' eyelashes. Of course, that's important. I always state that in all of my lash refill videos or any lash with me type of videos on how I am so big on cleaning their lashes. I just feel as though the glue does not really adhere well if the lashes are dirty or oily or whatever you want to call it, okay? Please clean your clients' eyelashes no matter what the service is. I can't talk. No matter what the service is. And yes, get the eyelids too. I know it might look like I'm kind of aggressive, but you all, I'm super gentle with my clients, especially while I'm cleaning their eyelashes, because it's such a service where it just probably feels weird, but I try to make them feel comfortable at all times. Of course, I'm rinsing that lash shampoo off. That is a necessity because it just doesn't look quite the same if you don't follow all of the proper steps when cleansing their lashes. And lastly, I am going to start to prepare to dry her lashes. I love to dry the eyelashes with a napkin first, kind of pat dry it, and then I go in with my lash fan. So right about here, I am taping my client down. I do use hydrogel eye pads. I will link that down in the description box below. So make sure that you check out my description box below so that you can get some links to some of the products that I mentioned, and so that you can get my social media so that you can follow me. All right. So yeah, I'm just taping her down. I like to use the eye gel pads, and then I go on with my tape. And the tape I'm using in this video is Next Plus. And notice how I am taping my client's eyelashes down. I'm using that cross shape to tape her eyelashes down, and I'm making sure that I have them securely taped down because you do not want to make the mistake of gluing your client's eyelashes shut or getting glue on their bottom eyelashes. Please make sure you take out extra time. Don't rush yourself. Just go at your own pace, but make sure your client is properly taped down. So this portion of the video, all I'm doing is basically just further drying her eyelashes with the lash fan, and I'm brushing through the eyelashes with my spoolie brush. Now for my favorite part, you know, shaking that glue. I got a glue shaker. It's highly recommended because, yeah, it's been making my life so much easier. Right about here, I'm just taping my client's eyelashes up. Please make sure you do that step carefully because you do not want your client's eyes to be exposed to any fumes of the glue. And then right there, I'm just brushing out those natural lashes, and I am about to start doing her refill. So at this point, I am on her other eye, which would be her left, and I am just looking through, making sure that I am finding any overgrown lashes that need to be removed, because you know we don't like to keep the overgrown lashes on there. I'm just kind of popping off any lash that I see needs to just be gone, or maybe it's twisted, or maybe I don't know. I like to get rid of any lashes that just don't look like they need to be on there anymore. Now, if only it took that long to complete a refill, but now we are finished, and I'm about to get the dryer out and just basically fan her lashes and use a spoolie brush to brush through both of her lashes, because I like to make sure that there's no fallout, and if there is, I like to, you know, replace whatever lash may fall out. But definitely use a spoolie brush towards the end, brush their eyelashes through, and make sure that, you know, there are no lashes falling out. Please don't skip that step. All I'm doing right here is just putting on some sealants. This will help lock in that glue and make sure that she is able to get as long of a wear as she can on these lashes. And yes, get into this set, okay? I brought my girl right back to life. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video, and most importantly, you can always comment. I will comment back. I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.